how to fix mobile hotspot to tethering grayed out on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on scroll down and click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, and go back and click on Data Usage and click on Data Saver. So make sure turn off, turn on now. After turn off this button, go back and click on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and turn on Mobile Hotspot. After turn on Mobile Hotspot, so pin a power cable insert here. After insert power cable, you will see USB tethering showing here. So if you want to fix this problem, so turn on button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot to tethering grayed out on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.